Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WATT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a whole lot of people watching this one today, myself included. I traded it a few times. I currently don't own any shares or anything from a disclosure perspective. But yeah, I will certainly be watching this one tomorrow. So let's map out a couple levels of support and resistance. First level of support that I'll be keeping an eye on is just simply nothing fancy behind it. But right here around $6.50, let me move that line out of the way. Why $6.50? Well, that is where this pink line here is coming into play, which in the world of charts is the 200 period simple moving average, which a lot of people use. So call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. But whenever the price does get around that area, especially when the price is up above it, it does tend to act as support. Not a guarantee, but you can see right there is a prime example of it acting as support. Price broke above it, back tested it, and then up it went. I'm not saying the price is headed down to 650, just explaining kind of why, in my opinion as a trader, I think that, I know that I'll be watching 650 tomorrow as one of the areas of support. Now, in the event 650 does not hold, let's map out another area of support. So the next level that would stand out to me would be right here around, that makes it easy, $6. So 650 and then 6. And then the other level to watch, and I'm not going to assign a numerical value to it because it's another moving average, so that value is going to move and change over time. But that's right there, the purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. Again, that line's going to move itself higher and higher. So it's hard to assign numerical value. Right now, it's worth $5.51, but that line is going to, or I should say that value is going to change, as Friday unfolds. So those will be the 3 key levels of support I keep an eye on. What happens if this thing starts to turn around and work its way back upwards? Where are some levels of resistance at? Initial area of resistance that stood out, quite a bit this afternoon was right up here around the $8 mark. So a couple times this afternoon, the price tried to get up above 8 and just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be that initial area of resistance. After 8, the next point of price congestion that stands out quite a bit up there at $8.75. So we'll see how this one plays out tomorrow to close out the week on Friday. But yeah, no doubt about it, good volatility, good volume, and I know I'll be watching it tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.